Students, today we are going to study the next concept of this lesson, that is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. LCM ला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात लसावी, लघुत्तम सामायिक विभाज्य. Last year also we have studied one method of finding LCM. आपण इयत्ता 6वी मध्ये LCM काढण्याच्या एका पद्धतीचा अभ्यास केला होता by listing all the multiples. Let us revise that method and then we will learn how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Now let us see, suppose find the LCM of 6 and 7. 6 आणि 7 या दोन संख्यांचा लसावी काढा असा प्रश्न आहे. तर काय करायचं ठिकाणी we have to write all the multiples of 6 and 7. आपल्या काय करायचं ठिकाणी 6 आणि 7 यांचे मल्टिपल्स लिहायचे. सो मल्टिपल्स ऑफ 6, मल्टिपल्स ऑफ 6 म्हणजे काय, थोडक्यात 6 चा पारा लिहायचा आपल्याला. या ठिकाणी 6 चा पारा. सो 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and so on. Okay, these are the multiples of 6. Similarly, write multiples of 7. So multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49 and so on. So from these multiples we have to select the common multiples. From this we have to select common multiples. सारखे मल्टिपल्स कोणते ते सिलेक्ट करा. या ठिकाणी 42 हा कॉमन मल्टिपल आहे. जर पुढचा मल्टिपल शोधला आपण तो असेल 84. याप्रमाणे तुमचे मल्टिपल्स असतील. आणि हा एकच मल्टिपल मिळाला आपल्याला. या मल्टिपल मधील सर्वात लहान जो मल्टिपल असतो तो म्हणजे एलसीएम. सो देअरफॉर एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू एकच संख्येमुळे मिळाल्यामुळे आन्सर आहे तुमचं 42. 42 is the LCM of 6 and 7. So like this way, last year we have found LCM of given numbers. Now this year we have to study it by prime factorization method. आपण या वर्षी मूळ अवयव पद्धतीने लसावी कसा काढतात याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. लेट अस सी एन एक्झाम्पल. त्याचं उदाहरण पाहूया आपण. सपोज example is given like this way. Find the LCM of the LCM of 15 and 20. 15 आणि 20 या संख्यांचा लसावी काढा असा प्रश्न आहे. मग काय करता यासाठी, तर त्यासाठी काय करा, दोन्ही संख्यांची मूळ अवयव अगोदर फाइंड करा. सो लेट अस सी प्राइम फॅक्टर्स ऑफ 15. आता ठिकाणी 15 ऑड नंबर आहे. इट इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. 3 च्या पाड्यामध्ये तो येतो. सो डिवाइड बाय 3 हियर. 3 5 is 15. 5 1s are 5. These are the factors of 15. Similarly, factors of 20. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors of 20. Write these factors in multiplication form. हे जे अवयव आहे हे गुणाकाराच्या स्वरूपात लिहा. सो 15 इज इक्वल टू 3 into 5. सिमिलरली 20 इज इक्वल टू 2 into 2 into 5. फ्रॉम दिस सिलेक्ट कॉमन फॅक्टर्स. We have tried the common factors first. Now here the common factor is only one pair, that is 5. Out of this pair take one number down. 5 हा त्या ठिकाणी कॉमन फॅक्टर आहे. आता एलसीएम लिहिताना काय करायचं, एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टेक कॉमन फॅक्टर अँड आफ्टर दॅट वी हॅव टू टेक अनकॉमन फॅक्टर ऑल्सो, दॅट इज 2 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 3. So product of this common and uncommon factor is nothing but that is your LCM. या उदाहरणामध्ये लसावी काढत असताना आपण काय करतो, अगोदर कॉमन फॅक्टर घेतो, सामायिक अवयव घेतो, त्यासोबतच असामायिक अवयव सुद्धा आपल्याला घ्यायचे असतात. त्यांचा गुणाकार करा. 5 2 10, 10 2 20, 23 60. 60 is the LCM of 15 and 20. So like this way we can factorize the given numbers and we can find the LCM of given numbers. Let us see one more example of finding LCM. Find the LCM of, we'll take the other number of finding LCM. Suppose the numbers are 12, 15, 45. 12, 15 and 45. These three numbers are given. So first we have to find the prime factors of each number. So first find prime factors of 12. Since it is even number, so divide by 2. 2, 6 are 12. Again divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. These are the prime factors of 12. Similarly, prime factors of 15. We can divide it by 3 since it is not an even number. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Again, find the factors of 45. So we can divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So these are the prime factors of all these three numbers. Now write these prime factors in the multiplication form. So we get 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and 45 is equal to 3 into 5. Now first select common factors among these three. So from these three, the common factor is only 3. 3 is a common factor. So while I am finding the LCM, LCM is equal to common factor into uncommon factors. Now while taking uncommon factors, आता या ठिकाणी 3 संख्या आहेत, कॉमन फॅक्टर आपण घेतलाय. आता अनकॉमन फॅक्टर घेताना 2 संख्यांमध्ये कॉमन असेल ना तर तो घ्यायचा आहे. आता पहा या ठिकाणी 2 हा कॉमन कुठेच नाही, फक्त याच ठिकाणी 2 आहे. सो राईट 2 into 2. Then 5 is common from these two. Take 1 time 5. Then this 3 is left. Take 3 also. So this way we got the common and uncommon factors. Find the product of these numbers. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 63s are 180. So 180 is the LCM of given numbers. 180 is the LCM of given numbers. Like this way we can find the LCM of given numbers. Okay, so you can practice this type of examples at home by taking various numbers. The main difference between SCF and LCM is, in case of LCM we take common and uncommon factors, and SCF we take only product of common factors. Okay, so one more type of example can be asked on this SCF and LCM topic that we will see now. Suppose question is find SCF and LCM of 16 and 24. Find the SCF and LCM of 16 and 24. Now let us see. First we will factorize 16. It is even number, so divide by 2. 16 ही सम संख्या आहे, त्यामुळे 16 ला काय करा 2 ने भाग द्या. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 4. Similarly factorize 24. 2 12 is 24. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are. Like this way factors we got. Now from this write these factors in multiplication form. So 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we got the factors in multiplication form. From this select the common factors. Therefore common factors is equal to, see, from this pair take one common, from this pair one common, from this one. So from this we can get the SCF. So SCF is equal to product of these common factors. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 8 is the SCF of these numbers. Similarly find LCM. So LCM is equal to product of common factors into remaining factors we have to take, that is 3 and 2. 3 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24, 2 the 48. LCM is 48. Now we have to find the factors of, we have to find the product of these numbers. SCF into LCM. This product, let us see, that is 8 into 48. 8 is the 64. 6 is carried here. 8 4 is the 32 plus 32 plus 6, 38. So product we obtained is 384. Now find the product of given numbers. Product of numbers. That is 16 into 24. 16 4 is a 64. 6 is carrier. 16 to the 32 plus 6, 384. So from this we can understand the relation between SCF and LCM. The product of given numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. So we can write here product of numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. So like this relation we have obtained from the given example. So whenever the product of two numbers are given and out of SCF and LCM any one thing is given, we can find the next. Or when SCF and LCM are given, out of given two numbers one number is given, we can find the second. म्हणजेच काय त्या ठिकाणी या उदाहरणावरून असं दिसतंय की दोन संख्यांचा गुणाकार हा त्यांचा लसावी आणि मसावी यांच्या गुणाकारा एवढा असतो. एखाद्या उदाहरणामध्ये जर आपल्याला लसावी मसावी दिला असेल, दोन संख्यांपैकी एक संख्या दिली असेल तर आपण दुसरी संख्या काढू शकतो. अशा प्रकारे उदाहरणं सराव संचामध्ये दिलेले आहेत, त्याचा सराव करा, जास्तीत जास्त उदाहरणं सोडवा.